American Dream Machines opened our doors in 2003. We've sold thousands of cars all over the country and all over the world. And we've learned the hard way. We had to fix them. We bought a lot of classic cars here and had to fix a lot of problems. Classic cars can be your biggest money pit or your best investment. These are the cars I love. 1955 Cadillac Series 62. Check out the bumpers on this, and the Dagmars are pretty incredible. All the chrome has been redone on the front of this car. It's just had an extensive paint job front to back with less than 44 miles. Under the hood, you've got a show quality engine compartment. It's painted. The inner fenders, the cowl are all painted to match the body. Power steering, power brakes. Has the original 365 engine. New emblems, new hood ornaments, just gorgeous body lines, and the side trim has all been replaced as well. Hardly anybody replaces that. The rims on this car are $4,000 with the wide whites alone. The glass has been replaced. All of this is really, really nice and been redone. The side window, a lot of times people don't replace as well. All the glass. The inside of this car is just as nice as the outside of the car. Rich, supple, red leather interior. This is not a Naugahyde replacement. This is actually real leather. The dash is actually real leather as well. All of the bezel, the radio, the dash bezel, the steering wheel has been reconditioned. It's gorgeous and just like new with power windows, power seat. It has a brand new top under this brand new boot as well. The tail lights and lenses are all newer. The back bumper's all new. You can tell the stainless trim here is new as well. The emblems are new. Just really gorgeous body lines around the trunk. The side of the car, you can tell, just fits beautifully with great fitment on the doors. The dash bezel's like new. It's actually only showing 44 miles on the odometer, which is basically, since it's been restored by the previous owners, that's how many miles are on it. If you're gonna cruise, you should cruise in style. So at American Dream Machines, we have over 100 beautiful cars, usually in stock at all times. We have several gorgeous Cadillacs, high resolution pictures on the internet at admcars.com or americandreammachines.com. But we really would like for you to come in and see the cars. I mean, if you get to see like 100 beautiful cars like this, it's a good day. I was a kid, hanging down at the Loop, snuck out of the house way past my bedtime, and I saw a jet black 1967 Street Beast. Red Stinger hood, red guts. That car peeled out around all four corners of that hood. All I could say is, damn. And that's why I started American Dream Machines. Welcome to American Dream Machines. Everybody wants a piece of the American dream. American Dream Machines is rock and roll and beautiful cars. It was Hendrix, Born to be Wild, and Heavy Metal Thunder. These were the designs of Harley Earl, a masterpiece grille. These are the cars that people dreamed about in the 50s, and they still dream about them today. True works of art on four wheels. Welcome to Car Heaven. The quality of our cars every year gets better and better, and this 4,000 square foot studio tells no lies. American Dream Machines was inspired by the fire-breathing big block designs of Duntop and Bill Mitchell. These were the baddest cars in 1967. It's not all about the numbers. If we can get 500, 600, 700 horsepower in one of these street beasts, it's a whole lot of fun. At American Dream Machines, we've purchased thousands of cars over the years, and we've learned the hard way. We had to fix them. Our mechanics and restoration staff here are the dream team, and they get 200 cars a year ready for our customers.
Yes, I love that.
American Dream Machines opened our doors in 2003. We've sold thousands of cars all over the country and all over the world. We have beautiful cars here, and you should own one. So you want to drive the Buick in the back? Just living the dream.